Welcome guys to another beautiful tutorial today from Trendy channel. So I promise you guys that I will make a video on how to enhance your flyer after designing. You know, if you're coming to Trendy for the first time, Trendy is a channel that talks about how to grow as a graphic designer and to enhance flyer as a graphic designer and how to become that best version of graphic designer that you've always aspired to become. So there's a lot behind the scene that a lot of designer will not tell you when it comes to enhancing your flyer, when it comes to church flyer, when it comes to flyer in particular. So Pixellab is just one of the two that is being used for design. There are a lot of app that is being used to enhance the quality of your design after you're done designing. We have Snapseed and we have Lightroom, so I'll be showing you guys these both, but first of all let's dive to Lightroom. So now we just open my Lightroom. Now Lightroom is an app. Let me search it. Now Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, is an app that helps you. The app was mainly created for picture enhancement and the rest. So if you're also struggling with to enhance the quality of your pictures, I've also done a tutorial on that. You can just do it to check my video list on YouTube here, you will see it. So thank you. So if you don't have the app, just go to your Play Store, just search for Adobe Lightroom and you will see the app. You download it yourself. Now this is the first surface you will see. All you have to do is to click on your edits. Now you tap on that drop down arrow. Create new. What is happening now? Wow, village people, this is the app I've been using on this while. So tap on your, this was just photo on device. Just tap on this drop down arrow which will take you to your gallery. Then you just go to your Pixellab. That's the, you've already designed, ensure you've designed the app, ensure you've designed, you're done designing your design before you import it. I beg, just small. So all you need to do is to come here, pick your design, it will load. So when it loads, this is what you see. Okay, it's like we've worked on this one. Okay, I've worked on this one, that's why it's showing this thing. Let me disable it. I've already worked on this one. Let me use something I've not worked on. So I've worked on this app before, so the app has been auto save in my phone, like it has been saved automatically. But let me just try something new. Now let me just try something new. So all you need to do now is just wow. So all you need to do now is just come here. I've worked on all this app already, so this is what you do. Let me take it to the normal this thing. Let me take everything to the normal position, the way it ought to be. Okay, let me check something, my color. So done. So this is the normal position. This is what you will see. So all you need to do is to tap on, okay, this is the first layer. You tap on your edits, then you go to your effects, then your texture, take your texture to 80, depending on your design, but I'll take it to 80. 80 will be preferable. Your clarity, now clarity is to just make the image or the design a little bit dark. Take it to 16, let's take it to 20. Now just be observing that the more you're taking it, the more your design is getting more sharper. Your details, the details is all about the sharpness of your design. You can just take it to 110. Then the next thing you do now is to go to your color. Then this color now, your whites, the whites now is to make, if there's example, if there's a white background, you can just make it more whiter, or you reduce the whites, you take it my back to make it a little bit darker depending on your concept. Then you go to your color. Now this color, now you're trying to give your design a particular, especially the pictures, a particular color. You tap on your grading, you will see this color wheel. Just tap on the color that is related on the design, which is this color. Are you seeing that immediately I tapped, everywhere on the design turned to that color? But at this point now is excess, so all I need to do is to tap on here, then drag it down just to get a lighter version of it. Now if you observe, the more I'm bringing it down, the more this thing is changing. Or you do your done. So let's tap on it to see our before. Now are you seeing before? Are you seeing before? Are you seeing after? See your before, see after. So all you need to do when you're done, you tap on this 3 button here, then you save to device. Just hold on. It has been saved. So please guys, kindly subscribe, share this with your friends. See you guys in my next YouTube tutorials. So I'll be making video on this customized theme that you're seeing here. So let's